What is going on, guys? Today, so we have the Hiker Audio K1 ANC headphones. This was sent out to me by Hiker Audio, obviously. We're going to check it out in this video. So there's no specs on the outside or anything. Let's get straight into it. So I believe this retails for about $50. It's giving me already some Tautronic vibes with the same look of the suede bag and feel. So you have the Hiker Audio there, the headphones here, adjustable. Made out of polycarbonate. The design looks fairly decent. Not the best, not the worst. The cuffs feel, they're alright actually. Micro USB, that's bad. You have an input, okay, that's good for people that have the auxiliary still and you want to use that. You don't want to run off the battery. That's good. You have ANC on and off, easily accessible right there. You have a green indicator, so when it turns on and off. You have a power on and off button right there in the middle. Volume up and down, and players, and skip, and play and pause. Hiker Audio, very minimal. Padding on top, not really considered padding, but it's doable. This has a 400 milliamp 5 volt capacity. Overall pretty good. So let's go ahead and test out the ANC. There's a manual in here as well, and an instruction card. So very simple packaging. Keep in mind, these are 50 bucks. We're gonna see if they sound good. So far, presentation and looks are cheap, but we're gonna see if these are good. All right, we're gonna look for it. There we go. Hiker Audio K1 ANC is their name. So it's this way. Comfort and noise isolation just without ANC is pretty good actually. So that's that. Let's turn on ANC. Wow, it's actually, oh, that's a big difference. It's crazy because I could actually hear more of my voice for some reason. Let me double check this. Okay, yeah, it's on. I can't, I mean, I could tell a little difference, but not a huge difference. I'm gonna go ahead and double check the ANC real quick with a air purifier. $50, but I mean, it's all right. Definitely getting what you paid for. It's not going to be high end, like $500 headphones or $300 Bose headphones, but they're doable. They're decently comfortable compared to my Tautronics, which swivel, have nicer cuffs, softer cuffs. They don't sell these anymore, though, sadly. But these ones I would recommend if you can get them. I think you can get them on AliExpress, not gonna lie. But these ones are much comfortable, easier, good looking option versus these ones. These ones just look and feel cheaper, especially with the micro USB. They look older and outdated. This one is newer and sleeker. So that's just a little rundown of how you should take this in consideration. That's just a little rundown on how you take this in consideration. I'm gonna go ahead and test out the music real quick before I make it a full review. Wow, so audio is way better. The only thing it's lacking is the lows and bass, basically. It's a little muddy on that end. It's not really fully there. Just barely considered bass, you know? Like you know it's there, but it's not screaming out in your face. I'm a bass lover, so that's like basically a huge pass for me. These are a foldable design, but I really wish they were swivel because right now they're just stiff, you know? You can move them a bit, but not stiff. So they're a little bit flexible. Once again, I'm going to bring up the Tautronics, but these obviously swivel, way more lightweight and adjustable, way better padding and everything else like that. This one, you can feel how stiff they are, just based off of that. So yeah, that's that.